Yes, please give me the pizza. What is this? Stop it! Oh my god! That's really annoying clock sound like this. First I need to dress up, when I start to live in this Halloween creepy ghost house, it's really annoying. I never get able to stay up late. I think today I'm gonna do something cool. Aha! The Halloween is already ended, but I do want to make some neon Halloween pets. What about making neon? Yeah, making some neon pets. Let me see some Halloween pets. Okay, I'll buy new pets. Oh, it's not even full ground. Though it's funny, I already made it before. Oh my god, what about that? It's still too much. Alright. What about CERBERUS, the famous one? Scalpers I already traded. Okay, full ground. Full. Oh! Wait a minute. Wait a minute, I can make a neon CERBERUS? That's amazing. Wow. Let me take it out. Oh my god, nice. A 3-head dog. Oh, how beautiful you are, guys. I have to start making neon now. But first I have to get off this horrible house. How is it really bad? Well, and I am the queen here. Let me start going. How embarrassing these houses. Maybe later I never come to this Halloween house again, maybe. Well, now let me just start to get going. Fluffy, let's go to make you be a neon. Oh, disgusting. Wait, Fluffy, why your look really funny with that tongue? You have 3 tongues, 3 heads, 6 eyes. Oh god. Anyways, you can swim. Oh, I never knew. Oh my god, you are really creepy. How interesting that I come again. 1 month I come to making neon ones. Hi Nixie, this time I come here to making a neon Fluffy. Oh, I know that the Halloween is already ended, but I never making a neon CERBERUS 3-head guy before. Now I have to start making it. Are you ready, Fluffy? There you go, one. Wow, big. You're really. Oh, don't eat me, please. Don't eat me, okay? Don't eat me. The next one. Blueberry. You have the same name like me. Huh? Is that a glitch? That I did just jump like there. The next one is put the name or pink, and the last one is going to be pink. I'm so excited right now. My mouth can't close anymore. Okay. I'm gonna put it. Make sure to subscribe and like the channel if you wanna watch more. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go! Oh my god. Oh, wow! Who are you? Did you just lost your owner or something? I never know you before, mister. Yeah. Well, guys, look how nice he is. It has a purple and right here to be purple in their tail. And it still be look good cause I love color of purple. Okay, let me start to write. So big. Who are you, man? Oh God. Let's see the fly. Oh, amazing. Imagine how awesome it is. I kinda want to put your name too. Okay, I'm going to put your name. Pop Fluffy. Fluffy. Oh God. Fluffy. Okay, there you go. And let me put some dress up yourself. Like an account. So you're going to be a witch. Are you kidding me? She has 3 heads, but why putting the head of a witch only one? The other might be jealous. Let me put one more. Oh, still. Bat. Let me put some glasses. Glasses can only put once too. Hey, so I'm gonna put like purple. This, yeah. You really look like swaggy guy. About this here, I'm gonna put you the shadow scrunch, and I'm gonna put you the blacky shoe. Now you look really incredible. How amazing you are. You are so good. Let me see your trick, guy. Sit. Wow. Joyful. Okay. Woo. He said like, woo. And then back, please. Oh my God, you back. Look at the tongue. Okay. Jump. Oh, you're jump high, like streaming. Okay. The next one is trick one. What is this mean? Oh, it's dancing. Look at the feet. Yeah, look at the feet dancing. See? And the last trick is trick 2. Woo! So the last trick is the leader of the middle guy said, oh, they cried together. Okay, thank you for today, Nixie. Oh, it was really nice to meet you, Pop Fluffy. Okay, guys, what do you guys think our video today? If you enjoy it, make sure to subscribe button to speak Nora, speak Korea, Khmer, and English language. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let's see you guys in the next video. Bye. Woohoo!